Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education Unplugged with Prashun. So friends, today in this video, I will tell you about AWS Community Builder program. So basically AWS Community Builder program offer technical resources, education and networking opportunities to AWS technical specialists and emerging thought leaders who are passionate about sharing knowledge and connecting with the technical community. So basically in AWS Community Builder program, you will hear from the AWS product team and get all the information about their new features and the service. And with that, you will get a special webinar from the AWS subject matter on the new features and all the new services which they have. So with that, you will also get some AWS promotional credit and other helpful resources to support content creation. And the last but not the least thing which you get in this program is a connection, which is a most important part for your professional journey. So friends, now we will see what all criteria we have to join this program. So if your age is 18 or older and you have passionate about the AWS cloud, then you are eligible for this program. That's the great thing. So if you take part in this program, so you will get some benefits also. Let's see what all benefits we will get. So first thing which we get here is a weekly webinar on the new product and the feature of AWS cloud. And with that, we will get the AWS subject matter for getting us know about all these services. And with that, we will get the promotional credits. And with that, we will also get some surprises. In surprises, depend on the registration. Most basically, they will send a t-shirt, water bottle, and other things. And now we will see how we will apply for this program. So if you come here and see, we have this link for apply now. You just need to click on this link, and after that one form will open. You need to fill all the information in this form, and after that you will get one email on your registered email ID, and in that email you will get all the links and all the study material from the Amazon. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely help you. So before leaving, please like this video and share this video with your friend. Thank you.